Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix YouTube when the home tab won't load videos on your iPhone. If your home page is blank, stuck, spinning or nothing refreshes, here's the quick fix. First of all, close YouTube completely. Swipe up from the bottom, remove the app from reset apps and then reopen it. Next, reset your connection. Toggle airplane mode on. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds before turning it back off and try again. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi instead. It will make your app run smoother. After that, clear YouTube's data on phone. Go ahead to your settings app. Search for iPhone storage, scroll down, find YouTube and then click the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, you're going to go ahead and open your app store, search for YouTube and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Old versions often break the home feed. After that, open YouTube, click on your profile, click on the switch account option and then switch accounts. Then go ahead and log back in or sign in to the old account that you were using or your main account, and that's it. Subscribe for more.